Hello there, fourth dimension trading time. Sean here. This is the update on foreign exchange. So we begin with the dollar index. New highs for the trend, but we haven't made it to the major upside target at 105.99.5. Support begins at 105.05. Critical level 104.47. Close below there would be negative. Target the major zone 103.85 to 65. Euro dollar pretty quiet, just going sideways. So when we reference the futures, has formed support at this week's lows, but we've got this big weekly level above at 108.04. Cable again come down and sort of attacked that daily level at 126.11, so we've been there ready for 3 days. But when we look at the futures, we've still got this weekly level which sits at 125.22. However, it has weakened considerably because we've now formed a weekly resistance at 28.69. So we're in sideways, no surprise there really, and we're bounded by those two major levels. So a close beyond either one of them will set up the next trend. Dollar yen's been a bit more interesting. Broke up on Wednesday, took out that 60.19 level. We come back to it, pretty close to it a couple of times on Thursday and Friday, and held it. So there is no resistance. It's going to take a daily close below that 60.19 point to say that this breakout higher is false. Euro yen, similar story, broke out Wednesday again. On Friday we've held the breakout point 71.58 pretty well, so it's going to take a daily close below there to say that this break higher is false. Dollar Swiss just edging higher, really pretty quiet. Aussie dollar just going sideways, 67.06 above. We're going to need the futures as the reference on the downside, and that is a new weekly level at 65.94.5. So daily close below there would be negative. Daily close above 67.23 is positive. Kiwi stuck in the middle of the range. Quick look at the futures. Again, a weekly level's disappeared and it's moved to the top, 62.22. So no real support until 59.83.5. Certainly no reason to be long at the moment. Dollar CAD pretty quiet. Those diamonds signified that the downtrend, which is not much of a downtrend, had finished. On the futures, a new weekly level's risen up, so 72.66.5. So close below there, negative on the futures, positive on the spot. Finally, euro pound. Just edging higher really. Got the positive a few weeks ago, but of course a very, very powerful zone above 85.47 to 67. Okay, thank you.